What is golfer? One of the only reason I'm playing golf is Nagappa and Pratik. I feel ashamed when I see them. So you're so energetic and you're motivating us. Thank you, sir. Sir, yes, sir. Anybody else? Yeah.
Good afternoon.
Happy to be amongst all the elite or the eldest or the elite people of KGF. I'm very proud to be saying our, more than anything else, our son of the soil from our village, one of the first persons to become a doctor.
Started his career as a grad practitioner 50 years back, and he has hosted a very good party in Kolar for his celebration and club. They have a small offer for you.
ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು ಸರ್.
Golf is ready to invite all the golfers from BML, member of KGF Gymkhana Golf Club, our president, secretary of the chapter was not there, and the senior most golfer, Mr. Venkatakrishna Reddy. Also, and Dr. took the charge of inviting the president of the PDA, Private Doctors Association, ex-president of IMA, and Mr. Mauni, and family members, as his family members. Family members. Thank you very much for creating this occasion, sir. And I request the senior most golfer of the KGF Gymkhana Golf Club, Mr. Venkatakrishna Reddy, to
making me live for 82 years.
ತೆರೆ ಪಡಿ ಸರ್.
He is healthy because of his wife. Our came on to come.
Very good. Very colorful shawl.
Spoken about me. I don't know whether I deserve all these words or not. But they are spoken well. I have to accept. First of all, I must thank the golf KGF, Gymkhana Golf KGF for giving me an opportunity to be here on this day with all my golfers. Literally, I cannot say all my golfers because I am not yet a member of this golf club. I have the privilege to play with all my golfers.
Participate in all.
Yeah. Asif Ahmed, a member of the Gymkhana Golf Club. So that's all I want to say. And so many friends of mine spoken very good thing about me. I must thank all these people. And today is I was longing for this get together since very long time, but the time was not right. But today is the day. So we all are here and to celebrate this occasion. And many of my friends whom I rarely meet are here, like Naveen, Jairam Reddy, Prem, some of them, Sir. And we don't meet them very often. They are very. They have become gold, as if you accept gold from king. They have become very rarity. So anyway, this is an occasion to celebrate all these things. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. And incidentally, Mr. Ramchandra is my daughter-in-law's maternal uncle, and his friend is there, Mr. Kumar. He is an High Court advocate. All of them are my relatives. And he is trying to get a membership from the this golf club, Gymkhana Golf Club. I think he has already got it. And I'm very thankful to the management of the Gymkhana Golf Club, because whenever I say, please give me a membership, I remember that they honor me by giving a membership. That brings me some credit, no, indirectly. That should have been got to the Gymkhana Golf Club members.
Problem, sir.
I don't know what to speak because there are so many
Confusion.
other society people are here. Our MDs are there, our golf members are here, our secretary of the golf club, president of the golf club, friends, golfers, esteemed friends, esteemed doctors are all here. I want to speak something about Dr. Nagappa.
Please, sir.
Much of you don't know who is Nagappa. You are all classmates in middle school in Kathmandu. Native player. I was a senior, he was a junior in the middle school. So we got separated and he became a doctor and I became something else. I am 82 years old. If I am living healthy, he is responsible. How I tell you the story. I was 45 years or something like that when I came back.